Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Cicada Club. The Dumont Television Network brings you Maxwell DeMille's A Night at the Cicada Club, broadcast live around the nation and around the world by means of electronic television. Presenting a torrent of top talent and tunes directly into your home from Maxwell DeMille's Cicada Club in beautiful downtown Los Angeles, California.
Tonight we're going to do a special tribute to Central Avenue, and here to tell you a little bit about what it was, Chester Whitmore. Tell us something about Central Avenue.
It was the variety of the heyday of the wonderland of Los Angeles. It was 18 miles long from downtown all the way past Slauson, if everybody know down there. Now, you got to remember, it started on 1899. And then it started Make some noise. At this time, we'd like to bring on our vocalist for the evening, the one and only, Miss Sylvia Rodriguez. Give her a round of applause.
So nice to see some familiar faces here tonight. All right, my first tune is comes to us by way of a very popular swing band based out of San Francisco, and I'm sure many of you swing dancers know this one. I'm gonna call it right now. It's called Big Fine Daddy. Are you ready, boys?
You sure look fine. I said, baby, you don't waste my time. I don't need a house, a Cadillac car, no diamond ring. Well, I don't need champagne or caviar. Baby, let me tell you, there's just one thing. I need a big fine daddy. I need a big fine daddy. I need a big fine daddy. Yes, a big fine daddy is all I need. Now they say it's what's inside that counts, and daddy, I think that's cool. Love's a measure by the ounce. Baby, I love you. I need a big fine daddy.
have mercy. That was hot.